What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best touchscreen laptops in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The first product we'll analyze on our list for today is the HP Spectre X36014, which took the title of Best All-Around Touchscreen Laptop available on the market in 2022. We're looking at an Intel Evo laptop, which boasts the latest innovations, including fast wake-ups, Thunderbolt 4 ports, and an 11th generation Tiger Lake processor with integrated Iris Xe graphics. The base model combines the power of a Core i5 with 16 gigabytes of memory, 1 terabyte SSD drive, and a 1920 by 1280 pixel touchscreen. The HP Spectre X36014 is a sleek convertible laptop that comes with a 13.5-inch screen with a 3:2 aspect ratio for superior text and web browsing. Like the Spectre before it, the HP is one of the most beautiful laptops you can buy, with contrasting edges that accentuate its aluminum chassis machined with a CNC machine. The left edge of the laptop has a USB 3.2 Type-A port. You'll find 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports on the right, along with an audio port and a micro SD card. Spectre's OLED screen is beautiful to look at, with enough brightness, high contrast, pristine white background, and deep black. The colors are rich, vivid, and saturated, and the fine details are sharp. The 2-button tiltable pen follows your fastest drag and drop in tablet mode with the comfortable feel of a pen on paper. The 720p webcam has infrared face recognition capability, which joins the fingerprint reader to provide you with 2 ways to access Windows Hello applications. The 4 speakers and amplifier produce an amazing sound, not particularly loud, but neither thin nor hollow. The bass is noticeable, and it's easy to distinguish the songs that overlap. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. And now we present you the Microsoft Surface Pro 8, which quite justifiably won the title of Best Value Touchscreen Laptop in 2022. This hybrid device offers you the opportunity to have everything you need for your everyday computer in a small and very light package. This model is essentially a tablet, with the necessary performance attributes to be a robust computer with good performance, utilizing Windows as an operating system. Something we definitely like about the Surface Pro 8 is its design. It's a tablet designed for productivity that is quite comfortable, starting with the rear folding stand, which is already a basic part of Microsoft devices. You can open it and stand at a comfortable angle for viewing and working. With the Surface Pro 8, you'll get a dedicated charging port and 2 USB Type-C that are also compatible with Thunderbolt 4. If you're one of the users who like to call or listen to music from a device without headphones, then the Surface Pro 8 will make you happy because it has 2 far-field studio microphones, meaning your voice is perfectly captured. The speakers are 2 2-watt models with Dolby Atmos, which provides fairly clear bass and balanced frequencies, completely audible. This is definitely an advantage for those who enjoy on-screen content, such as series and movies that sound pretty good. The main feature of the Surface Pro 8 review was its 13-inch screen, which is almost 1 inch larger than the previous model. We also love the quality of its graphics and new technology that was added at a speed of 120Hz refresh rate. This revitalized panel pushes Microsoft into the new age, giving your tablet a 2-in-1 high-quality panel that we can take anywhere. This makes it one of the tablets with the best screen on the market today. Furthermore, if you had a Surface Pro 7, you may have felt that it was too hot. This is solved in the Surface Pro 8 with an active cooling system to maintain the correct temperature. This device has a robust Intel 5 or i7 processor, depending on which one you choose. You get 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabyte of SSD. We can say that storage will not be a problem for you with this convertible tablet. And finally, the Surface Pro 8 offers us a battery for about 16 hours of average use. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product we'll talk about on our list of reviews is the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5, the best Chromebook touchscreen laptop available on the market in 2022. Lenovo has made an interesting choice with this model, making several major changes from the previous 2-in-1 hybrid model. One of the first things you notice when you open Duet 5 is how big it is. 13 inches is pretty standard when it comes to even small laptops, but here it almost seems a bit too big. The enclosed keyboard, despite its slim appearance, provides a surprisingly pleasant typing experience. With a maximum brightness of 400 nits, the Chromebook Duet 5 screen offers reasonable visibility, even in bright sunlight. The Duet 5 comes with 4 GB of RAM and a 64 GB SSD, and all that's lacking in integrated power is offset by the versatility and build quality. Most importantly, the Duet 5 Chromebook is easy to use right out of the box and fits seamlessly into your life. Also, Lenovo expanded the screen to 13.3 inches and gave the Duet 5 a better processor from Qualcomm. It has also boosted multimedia power with new speakers and even doubled the number of USB ports. To balance performance, price, and battery life, Lenovo opted for the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C Gen 2 processor instead of Intel or MediaTek SoC. The sum of these parts is a machine that deals with everyday computer and entertainment tasks without sweating. The Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5 Chromebook acts more like a tablet than a laptop when it comes to battery life. Those are good news. Does the battery last? You can bet it does. The Duet 5 easily lasted 11 plus hours of mixed battery life and exceeded 12 hours on several occasions. Not only is it good enough for a day at school or work, but it also helps you spend the night with little energy. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Up next, meet the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio, the best premium touchscreen laptop available on the market in 2022. This machine replaces the Surface Book 2, the most powerful computer that Microsoft has released in a while. But this Surface Laptop Studio goes further with its formula, including a screen that can adopt 3 different positions. In other words, it's not just Microsoft's most powerful new laptop. The target audience for this computer, as Microsoft has been trying to clarify from the beginning, is professionals who need a powerful and versatile machine. Many examples of careful details can be easily seen on this laptop. This laptop, by the way, has one of its main features on the screen, which can take 3 different positions: conventional mode, presentation mode, and tablet. The combination of NVIDIA 3050 Ti GPU plus Intel Core i7 CPU makes the creative experience pretty good. It's also possible to enjoy video games of fairly good quality, considering the type of product we're talking about. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio uses an IPS LCD screen with PixelSense technology, updating and improving the Surface Laptop 4. In this case, the size is slightly reduced to 14.4 inches, but it still uses the 3:2 format with a resolution of 2400 by 1600p. One of the most important changes comes in the fluidity section with a refresh rate of 120 Hz in order to take advantage of the equipped dedicated graphics card. The sharpness is impressive due to the high resolution of the panels, with a natural representation of colors and intended for use in professional design. Meanwhile, the maximum brightness is close to 500 nits, which is great. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio keyboard also doesn't disappoint. Furthermore, all of this is complemented by 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, so you can expect pretty good performance. If you have enough money for this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we present you the gold medal and the title of the best overall touchscreen laptop on the market in 2022, Dell XPS 13 OLED, the champion for today. This model comes with a beautiful OLED screen and 11th generation Intel i7 CPU that provides serious performance, all packed in a clean and elegant design. This 13.4-inch screen has a resolution of 3456 by 2160 pixels, which is just a little less than 4K. All in all, it looks impressive. A sleek little device that fits everything you'll probably need in a small space. As for the wireless connection, it boasts Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 for connecting to the internet and wireless headphones. If you dreamed of playing 3D games in the original resolution close to 4K, the XPS 13 could handle games like GTA 5 in 1080p resolution. The 11th generation Intel i7 processor, 32 GB of RAM, as well as the exceptional 2 TB SSD, boasts great processing power and top-tier results. Battery life on small laptops is often a problem, as there's a limit to how much battery can fit in a small case. Dell seems to have struck a good balance here. Users point out that they were able to watch the video for 6 hours and 15 minutes with the brightness set to as much as you need to watch movies in a well-lit room. The Dell XPS 13 OLED is a classic laptop that combines power and portability in a sleek package. The OLED screen is the icing on the cake. 4K HDR movies and TV shows look great, with bright colors and deep textured blacks that really make a well-shot movie pop out off the screen. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best budget computer speakers of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.